Hi guys, good morning. It's still about 5 minutes to 12 o'clock, so still good morning. And today this is my third or fourth video that I'm making because I've been trying since morning, I don't know what's going wrong. It is not accepting, every time it says some kind of a, wire has come, some kind of a virus has come into my software. So I'm making from another video, another laptop. So hoping this time it works. So let me talk about Nifty. So Nifty opened gap up, although it opened gap up, but it could not sustain itself, right? So see, there is a huge the support at the bottom of 50 moving average and 200 moving average. Similarly, there is a huge resistance at the top, which is at 9980, until Nifty crosses this, it touches it and comes down, it touches it and comes down. It is not, we cannot say that it is in uptrend. So what is it, the most important thing? What I believe today, Nifty is going to remain range bound. It's going to be within this 40 points, 30 points, like 9941 to 9978, like this range it's going to remain. So about 30 points range it will be until this range is crossed. We can't say Nifty is in uptrend or in the downtrend. Okay, so now today's agenda is going to remain, there are 2-3 things that I'm going to be talking about. One is the kind of stocks that I have been giving. Second thing I'm going to be talking about, and my members are finding out. And the second thing that I'm going to teach you is GCI. Okay, how do you really have the GCI platform? So what I'm saying, guys, I'm starting my webinar today. The response has been overwhelming, and we're going to be freezing admissions today itself. If you want to join, take a call, because our recommendations on Telegram as well as on the YouTube are going to be lesser now, because see, the recommendations were given to you so that you can see our authenticity, what kind of trades we give and how are they doing, right? We don't want you to become dependent on us, so kindly do not text me again and again, what should be my stop loss, well, this stock is going down, this stock is going, it's not performing. Somebody's texting me, Aero Textile is not working fine. So you also have a brain, na? Analyze it. I've taught everything on the YouTube. I mean, if you cannot analyze, don't take my tips. If you cannot follow what I have taught on YouTube, you don't have to text me. I'm not going to be answering anything. I'm fed up. I'm definitely harassed by 5,000 people in YouTube and about 1800 on my Telegram channel. If you have a brain of yours, and if you've been watching my YouTube videos, you have to analyze yourself. Where do you want to put the stop loss? Where do you want to exit? I'm not going to tell you anything. If you feel comfortable, do my trades, and if you don't feel comfortable, please don't do that. I'm going to block all the numbers which harass me, right? I give everything. When to enter, when to exit. People ask me after 2 days, can I still enter into that particular stock? Don't ask me such questions. Your choice. I'm not going to add or delete anything from there, right? I'm not going to answer. I'm not going to do anything about it. Okay, so please, either you enter when I tell you, and if there are losses, if you feel uncomfortable, if you can't bear the losses, exit. Don't ask me. I'm not going to tell you anything, right? I give you, after enough analysis, I've done everything that I could, and then only I give you a kind of recommendation. And if you don't believe me, if you feel it's going down, your choice. Okay, so from here, let me show you what kind of stocks my members have given who have done webinar with me. This is RIIL. See, this is the run up in 3 days it has given. We found it the day before, and this is the run up RIIL has given. I gave you Graha Finance, that is also doing pretty well. I gave it at 520, it's at 526. I gave you Black Rose yesterday, right? I gave it at 28.2, and it has gone up from there to 30.7 as well. Okay, this stock is little down, but I don't feel any reason for you to worry about it. I gave Moil, which is also way above from where I have given. I gave it at 380, and I gave the first target as 395, which has been met today. Then I gave you people Reddington. I gave it at about 148, somewhere here, and it has gone even up to today 164, right? which stock, I'm just getting so bugged up. Why you people make so much of noise if one or two stocks go down, and that to be bounce back in little time. Now I gave Volchan. I mean, why do you have to worry? If you can't analyze yourself, don't ask me. Ganesh Housing, I gave it 137. It has made a high of 146. I don't understand where is the issue. And if you do not have capacity to analyze, please don't take my trades. Then I have Kolte Patil on my radar, which I was talking about to the members yesterday. It is 183. Today it is at 211. This is the kind of run up this stock has given. Okay, now let me quickly take you to GCI. So for GCI, what you need to do, type in your Google's browser GCI trading account. Right? GCI demo trading account, and come to the GCI trading account and go to the open a free demo account, this place, right? Go here and fill up the form. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is you have to only take MetaTrader account. You have to select only MetaTrader account, right? Fill up your first name, last name, email, country, mobile phone and home phone. When you do get started, it will give you a login ID and password, right? It will give you a login ID and password. Once you have that, log in with that through that login and ID, login and password ID, like something like this, username and password ID you will get. Log in with that, and what you will get actually is, let me take you to GCI platform. You will get something like this. When you open, you will get something like just a sec. So you will see the windows like this. Now whatever you want, just pick it up from here and bring it here. Fresh window, right? You can open a fresh window, right? Let me just open up another window for you. Pick it up from here and open a window, right? This is a fresh window. Maximize it. Okay, now we need to put the parameters. So first and foremost, what you need to do, make it bigger. This is Nifty only, but these are not the candles that we use. So make it from here, the candles into that we use. And then what you do, you go to the charts. Okay, charts mein jaake you go to the properties. In properties, you can change how your candle should look. So we'll want the bull candle to be a green candle. So let's give it a green color, and the bear candle to be a red color. So I give it a red color and I say okay. So now the color is what we actually looking for. Then you come here to the FX. This FX you see, click that, come to the trends, and then what you're going to do, go to the moving averages and put whatever parameters we have. 10, we'll first put the 10 and then go to the color. I give it a green color. That is how I prefer, because the price goes along with it. So okay. Next again we go here and again go to the moving averages and give it, now this will be 50, give it a red color and say okay. Then again come over here, go to the moving averages, again make it 200 and give it a blue color somewhere here, and done. Right, this is our setup that is ready now. Okay, this is our setup now, which is ready. Now what we're going to be doing, we will put oscillators. Now what are the oscillators that we'll be putting? First we'll use MACD, default parameters. Okay, then again come over here and go to the oscillator, and now this time we're going to take relative strength. In relative strength, I want to change the levels. Now I've already changed, make this was 30, overbought, oversold, I make it 40, this was overbought, I made it 60, and okay. Now this is our setup. What you do, go to this last one, which is template, and save template, right? Save template. I've already saved this one as SEMA GCI. So if I anytime want it, I can bring it back. So if you go to the save template, it'll take you here somewhere, and you can save with whatever name. So I have saved it with SEMA GCI template, right? So I'm not going to resave it, but every time I want the same template, I have made different templates. So let me show you. This is a different one, this is a different one, this is a different one, this is a different one. So everywhere I have different templates. Okay, so this is how you will use GCI. So you can go to various things, like you can go here, you can get Forex, different Forex setup. I really like GCI because they have real-time ticks that come over here, and then these are the different pairs of Forex that you get. Then you have indexes. I have Dow Jones, DAX, NSE, FTSE. Let's say I want to add Nikkei, so double click over here and put Nikkei, right, and enter it. It will be added up. Then again double click, and let's say I want Hang Seng. Does it have Hang Seng? No. Hang Seng. Oh, it doesn't have. So let's say something else. Dow Jones, DAX, FTSE, NSE, Hang Seng. Why is it not showing? Yeah. So this is Hang Seng. So this is Singapore, index. So you have all of it. You have FTSE, you have NSE, Nifty, you have DAX, you have Dow Jones, you have all. You have gold, you have crude, you have everything that you want, right? So this is how you can use beautifully this international platform. It is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. Just use it, right? I have a strategy of crude over here, which I'm going to discuss later with you all, right? Now this is, Colte Patil. See, on my radar was Colte Patil, which has done really, really well. Okay, Simco I have given you at 86. It has gone to up to even 96, 97 rupees. Fine. So let's quickly analyze Nifty. As I told you, it's going to remain range bound today. I don't see much movement coming in Nifty today. It's going to just go up and down, and in case it breaks this 9943, there will be further fall that may come into Nifty, right? I'm not expecting any miracles today. I'm just hoping that it holds itself. Then we'll see on Monday what may happen. All right. So this is what I want to share with you all. If you want to analyze Nifty, if you want to understand about stock market, if you want to know how do we, invest your money in the most exactly in the right way, I can tell you, do the course, just invest 30,000 rupees in your learning, and I can assure you, lifelong you will earn money. It's not 1 month, it's not 2 months, it's lifelong. You will understand to find out the stocks which are on the breakout. That is what my promise is. You've seen that through my Telegram channel, that you've seen through my YouTube videos. What other proof you want? I want you to develop that confidence, take the first step, go for the webinar, join it, learn it, and I can assure you, you don't have to take tip from anybody. It's your money. Be responsible for it. Identify good stocks, invest in them, and please don't harass me by asking what technical parameters, where to put the stop loss, should I average. I just do not want to answer all those things. If you want, if you know a little bit of trading through my YouTube channel, that's how you're taking the trades. Please refer them and make up your mind from there, right? With this, I'm signing off. I'll meet you on Monday. I plan to do with you all a strategy on crude once again. Okay. I hope my account will also be activated in few days on crude oil. Then we will be able to do the trading in commodity as well. Okay, looking forward to see you all. Your comments are encouraging, but your text messages, unnecessary messages, when to enter, when to exit, that's troubling me a lot. I request you, please do not do that. I will not be able to peacefully trade or give you anything new if you continuously send me unnecessary texts, right? So bye bye, good day, see you tomorrow, see you on Monday. My webinar starts tomorrow. Please join ASAP, otherwise seats are getting filled up. Bye bye.